have you ever heard a story when I wrote one of the first ones?
I haven't.
Okay, so I'll tell you a story. So we were there is a thing in Rhode Island called duck pin bowling.
Okay.
Duck pin bowling. I don't know if you've ever heard of it, but it's like this little bowling ball. It's this big. And you roll it down a bowling, like you throw it in. It's not normal pins. I think there's like 16 pins or something like that.
Okay.
So we're up visiting a partner office, one of the integrity partner offices, and this is before they were partners and before I was partner, but an integrity partner office.
Enough.
That's in Connecticut.
Fair enough.
Okay. So we leave this office, and there's several of us, and our flights aren't for like 6 or 7 hours. So one of the guys was like, "Hey, let's go duck pin bowling." We were like,
"What is that?
What is duck pin bowling?"
Yeah.
And so we go and we're duck pin bowling, and I get a client that responded back into a lead, like, and it pops up on my phone in a text message.
Nice.
And they're like, "Hey, client just called in looking for this." It popped up on a text, and I was like, "Oh, cool." So I called the client. They were like, "Hey, listen, we're looking for a final expense product, and your guys' product had just got launched like a week prior to that."
You bet.
So I was like, "Hey, listen, we got this new product. All we do is do a quick call. It's quick. It's like nothing." They were like, "Sure."
Yeah.
On the phone, 15 minutes, approved, paid on that, and I thought that was like the coolest thing ever for that.